Hey companies that love tech, have you heard of Perplexity AI? It's a revolutionary AI-powered search engine that is shaking up the world of online information access. Founded by Aravind Srinivas, a former researcher at OpenAI and DeepMind, Perplexity promises to change the game. See, unlike traditional search engines that simply provide a list of links, Perplexity leverages large language models like GPT-4 and Claude 2 to deliver concise, high-quality answers to your queries. But what really sets Perplexity apart is its ability to provide citations by default for the information it delivers, addressing the hallucination issue common with generative AI like ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is known for its versatility in conversational AI and text generation, Perplexity shines when it comes to research-oriented assistance and delivering accurate source-backed responses. It offers multimodal capabilities, allowing you to upload images, PDFs, or text files as part of your prompt for added context. And one of Perplexity's standout features is its ability to crawl the web in real time. No more, hey, I can't go past 2022 to give you the information you need. This ensures you to have access to the latest information. This is something that ChatGPT struggles with. Additionally, Perplexity's focus on user needs over advertisers means you can trust the results to be unbiased and tailored to your specific query. Perplexity's user-friendly interface makes it easy to perform focused searches, explore related questions, and even generates images or videos with Pro version. The interface is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to quickly find the information you need without getting bogged down by irrelevant results. In conclusion, Perplexity AI offers a more efficient and accurate way to access and create information online compared to traditional search engines and AI chatbots like ChatGPT. With its advanced AI capabilities, multimodal support, and user-centric approach, Perplexity is definitely worth exploring, especially for research-oriented tasks. Anyway, there's two versions. There's obviously a free version, which I find very useful, and then there's a paid version, which is also really cool. As I mentioned, it offers things that you can't get in the free version. All right, please subscribe to this channel. We need all the support we can. We're trying to grow organically here. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up because more people will see it. All right, we got 2 more videos for you to watch. If you have time, please check them out. Until next time, this is Braden Barty with TubeFlex.